So this is what we need, guys. This is what we need. We're gonna try to get out of them containers and we're gonna try to get out of them containers and use this bad boy to make a bigger yield. And what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to swap this engine out. So if you know a good YouTube video, or you know how simple it is, just give me a holler, because I think I'm gonna take a shot at this. So it looks like one, 2, 3 bolts. It's like three bolts. Something in there. So yeah, we're gonna be working on this for some time, because now I'm realizing this will make my life a whole lot easier if I can just throw on a couple new parts here and there, and maybe a new block, and get this thing running. I want to clean it up a little bit though, to be honest. So that's probably what we're gonna do the next couple of weeks. Let's see if we can find a motor for this thing. To be exact, that right there, the front time tiller yard machine motor. If I can find that somewhere, then I'm in business. I have to shoot it down with some WD-40, but it's still in good condition. It's mint. That's mint. That's still mint condition. So I just gotta get this engine running. Just go look at the condition of it. Yeah, pretty good. And this will make my life so much easier. Not sure how that goes yet, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna go pull this other one. Trying to get out of these pots. We're trying to get out of these pots. I pulled one from the back here earlier. I'm gonna pour this one over there too. Really don't matter which one I get running. Whichever one first works first. Alright, I gotta pick this thing up. Boom. Both the ones I need right here. This is a freshman. And There's some things hanging by that. 4 bolts right there. I don't know what kind of engine that is, but this nigga's just got a rod in there. So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, man, if you got a video, or you know how easy it is, or you know how it's done, shoot me some instructions, some advice. I'm gonna try to work on these things in the next couple weeks and stop procrastinating. If you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We're gonna have a lot more going on. I'm feeling a little bit more inspired and ambitious than I used to. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll drop another video here in another day or two.